2020, Underwriters Laboratories, also known as UL, withdrew the raintight listing for some electrical metallic tubing, also known as EMT compression fittings larger than 1 inch. The reason for the withdrawal is that these fittings did not meet the raintight requirements of the National Electrical Code, also known as NEC. The withdrawal of the raintight listing means that these fittings cannot be used in exterior, also known as wet, locations where raintightness is required. This restriction applies to all new EMT installations using conduit larger than 1 inch in exterior locations. NEC 110.11b states that fittings and enclosures for conductors and equipment shall be weatherproof in wet locations. NEC 358.80 states that EMT fittings shall be raintight if installed in wet locations. Local inspectors are enforcing the NEC requirements and are not approving new EMT installations using conduit larger than 1 inch in exterior locations where raintightness is required. Alternatives to EMT include rigid metal conduit, also known as RMC, or intermediate metal conduit, also known as IMC, which have raintight fittings available for larger sizes. Consult with the fitting manufacturer to inquire about any upcoming products or solutions that may meet the raintight requirements for EMT fittings larger than 1 inch. Some manufacturers may have developed new fittings that meet the raintight requirements for larger sizes. It is always advisable to check with the local inspector before installing EMT in exterior locations to ensure compliance with the latest requirements.